are working on Excel Multi-Project 1. Currently we're working on the first project, Scuba. The first task asks us to go ahead and begin on the Sheet 1 tab. You want to make sure that you pay attention and make sure that you are doing the steps on the correct sheet. And it tells us to go to A16. So we'll go ahead and scroll down. We'll put our cursor on A16. And it's telling us to go ahead and import a list from the comma delimited source of more toys. Now, if you're just thinking quick, you might think insert, but we actually want to be on the data tab at the top. And over here, get external data group. And we're going to do from text. We'll find our GMetrix folder right here. And that file is listed here. So we'll go ahead and click that, double click or click OK. It tells us that it's delimited, so we'll click that. We'll click next. And here we need to uncheck tab and check comma because it tells us that it's comma. And then it says accept all other defaults, but if you're not sure, click next, and it's just having you format the data. We can go ahead and click finish. And here it's just verifying where we want to place that data. So we'll go ahead and click OK. Notice it went ahead and it placed that data for us. We can click mark completed. Task 2 asks us to go ahead and change the color of the worksheet tab to blue, accent 2, darker 25%. So we have that selected already, but what we need to do is right click on sheet 1, and we're going to go ahead and do tab color, and we're going to find the accent 2, that's turquoise, so it's this one right here. If you're not sure, hover, blue accent 2, darker 25%. We'll click that. We finish that task, we can click mark completed. Task 3 asks us to go to the new inventory worksheet. So we'll go ahead and click that right here. And it tells us to go ahead and copy that data. So I will select all of the contents here, and I'm going to hit Control C, but you can also go to the Home tab and use the copy function up here. And then it tells us to go to the boats sheet, and beginning in A6, it tells us to place this data in the table here. So I'm going to hit Control V, but again on the Home tab, you can just click paste. We'll go ahead and click mark completed. Task 4 asks us to go ahead and reorder the sheet so that boats is first. So this is simple. We just need to click and drag that over. You see that little down triangle. We can let go. And now boats is first in that order. We'll click mark completed. And task 5 asks us to go ahead and hide the new inventory worksheet. And all we need to do is on the sheet, go ahead and right click, new inventory, and click hide. We can click mark completed.